I'm Tom with Poolworks Twin Cities, and today we're going to talk about weekly maintenance in your Sundance spa. Taking care of a Sundance spa is easy and requires as little as 5 minutes once a week. There's a handful of products that you'll need to use and a couple that you might. They're kind of circumstantial. Once a week, we're going to always want to put in Spa Perfect. One large cap of Spa Perfect is dumped in weekly. One packet of Frog Maintain should also be dumped in weekly. This is a non-chlorine shock and will help to activate the bank of chlorine that you have set up with your inline Eddies system. pH up and down are circumstantial depending on how your weekly test strip looks. The easiest way to figure out if you need pH up or down or any other baseline chemicals is to bring in a water sample to take a free water test to any of our Poolworks locations. The only other thing that you might need to do is replace your gray or silver SmartChlor cartridge. Simply take it out of the inline feeder and shake it. If it's empty, replace it with a new one. If you still hear chlorine inside of it, reinstall it, put the inline system back in place, and just like that, you're done taking care of your Sundance spa. Thanks so much and enjoy your hot tub.